Hi everyone. If your life path number is 3, then this video is for you. And if your friends or family have this number, then you will know much more about them from this video. If you don't know about life path number, then please check my playlist and see my video on life path number. Number 3 is active and ambitious. They are the initiators. They are dynamic and full of optimism. They want to do something with their life, so they are remembered. They love success and often accomplish it. In this sense, they are highly responsible and take their obligations seriously, which will sooner or later lead them to the very top position. It's not important to them to be first, but they enjoy being in the company of successful people. They are driven by great plans and can envision future accomplishments. They don't like doing insignificant jobs or being in a subordinate position. Rather, they work toward becoming independent, so they are often bosses or run their own business. They like to keep busy even on vacation. They don't stop to relax. For them achieve success, they need a good education, and many of them follow this path intuitively. Those who belong to this number are said to be the most creative of all. Many members of this number can be recognized because they remain childlike even in their later years. Number 3 can be reckless. They are happy and casual with a sense of humor that helps them in many situations. Most of time they are in good mood and make good company. Their good communication skills and cheerfulness certainly work in their favor. Number 3 goes through life guided by their feelings and instincts, rarely by reason. Because of these, they will often be hurt. They want to help everyone as much as possible. However, to receive their help, you have to ask them. They bring happiness to many, and particularly, they like to help those who are younger than them or are their subordinates. They have a problem with expressing their emotions. Their exterior is cold while inside everything is boiling with emotion. This can easily lead to a rapid shifts in mood. Uh, they doubt themselves, which can deprive them of many opportunities. You need to enjoy the present and be happy with it. Your restlessness may make it hard for you to stop and enjoy the moment. You should be more persistent in following through your ideas. You may jump from one project to another because you have lost interest in current project. Excessive enthusiasm and optimism can be harmful to you. Be careful about what you say and who is listening, and avoid make promises which you can't keep. Don't be too open towards everyone because your tendency to be direct is often misunderstood. Listen to your heart, learn to respect your life partner more, and be prepared to say no and avoid stressful situations to avoid emotional crashes. You need to remain cheerful and practice positive things. Be less doubtful about your abilities and realize that you don't always have to be fully prepared, otherwise, you will miss good opportunities. Number 3 is often very successful at work. They take their responsibilities seriously and are hardworking and professional. This is why they are often at the top, and it's not unusual for them to be the boss. They love and enjoy success. True masters of conversations, they are well spoken and express themselves clearly. They consider and analyze and try too hard to find practical solutions. Number 3 can work simultaneously on several projects. At the beginning of their career, they will struggle, but this will be good for their later growth and development. They like order and discipline, and they are someone you can rely on. Number three doesn't like doing insignificant jobs, although they have good communication with their supervisors. Number three can create many things out of nothing or to run in many different directions and do nothing. They should strive for education because it will benefit their career. Number three should also be careful about what they say and promise at work. Number three can be a scientist, speaker, writer, artist, teacher, advisor, ambassador, or diplomat, and it's not uncommon for them to start a business of their own. Number three goes through life guided by their heart, not by reason, which is why their heart often ends up wounded. They are gentle and emotional and want to help everyone. They want to experience everything and they are always in search of emotional fulfillment. They are passionate in love. Often they give much more than they get in return, which causes them suffering and disappointment. Their partners would be attractive, loyal, and supportive and constantly express their love. Number three is not happy with someone tight lipped. A relationship with number three can be wonderful, fun, and emotionally intense. On the other hand, it can also be demanding as number three can't stand monotony and doesn't like it if their partner neglects them or takes their love for granted. In marriage, number three is faithful and a good partner. They love their family and are pleased to fulfill their family responsibilities. They are very close to their friends and relatives, especially their parents. The health of number three is influenced by their emotional state. They can get sick when they are not loved or when they can't express what they feel and are susceptible to psychosomatic illness. Emotional faults can have a strong impact on the health of number three. They are vulnerable to conditions of the bladder and the urinary tract. Women may suffer from hormonal imbalances that cause psychological problems. So it's all about form number three. Thank you for watching.